But someone once said, don't wait until you're a man or a woman to be great. Charles Simmons provides us with some insights when he said, true greatness consists in being great in little things. Hence, when you are destined for greatness, it will begin to show in everything you do. The most common mistake people make is they want to be super successful first and then be recognized as great. But someone once said, don't wait until you're a man or a woman to be great. Be a great boy. Be a great girl. Likewise, I'll say to you, don't wait until you are recognized as a top leader to be great. Be a great rookie. Be a great beginner. Be a great follower. Because you have to first be a great follower before you can be a great leader.